Hello everybody. A little bit chilly out today, so I'm doing an inside video. Got something new in the mail and I'm pretty excited about it. And unboxing videos seem to be pretty popular on YouTube, so I'm going to do my very own special unboxing video for my viewers, and I guarantee you it will be the best unboxing video you've ever seen. It's a new camcorder, so you can view my videos better. Inside there's a bunch of crap that you don't really need to read. Some other stuff. And here's some landfill filler. More garbage. And some cables and chargers and batteries and let's see. Oh wow, this is special. Look at that. An empty bag. Garbage. World's best unboxing video. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to do a little review of this. Let's see, let me get the box. I'm going to do a review of this Canon VIXIA HF R600 camcorder. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.